Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Lee, and you're in the LeBoof garage. You already knew that, didn't you? Oh well, thought I'd tell you anyway. So what am I doing in the garage today? Well, I don't really know. But I wanted to get in the garage and play around some. I felt like it's a beautiful day outside, a little bit actually chilly, and why not go play in the garage? So that's what we're gonna do. Well, one of our kittens has gotten recently in the habit of scratching. And although they have a scratching post on their cat stand, apparently that does not work for him. The door jambs work great for him. At about 32 inches from the floor. Yeah, it's really great. I would be referring to Mr. Pepper's Emir. However, this does not work for me because now I've got like 4 different door jambs that I have to sand down, smooth out, and repaint. Not happy. So I've decided I'm going to build him a scratching stand. Now you're saying to yourself, have I ever built one before? Nope. Do I know how? Nope. Do I have plans? Nope. But I'm gonna look to see if I can find some. But if not, we're gonna wing it. So let's do it. So I'm a little bit crazy. But I'm gonna try to build 2 Let's try that again. I'm gonna try to build 2 scratching posts like this, with a hammock hanging in the center. And then I'm thinking right below that can be toys hanging down to play with. Couldn't find any plans, so we're gonna see what we can do. I have some leftover carpet from where we redid the floors here in the house that I saved specifically for this project. Wish me luck. The bottom base is simply just a piece of plywood. Any wood would do. We just happen to have a sheet of plywood laying around. Worked perfectly. Covered it in carpet. Stapled it to get to it. Voila.
The side pieces are actually landscaping timbers that we've been carrying around with us forever. Why not use them for something fun?
And they worked perfectly for this application because we just needed them as a scratching post, but we needed something solid. Okay, so I think I figured out an idea. Have to use with what I got, but I think I've got an idea. So I'm gonna take my carpet, wrap my material around it, hot glue it down because I don't have fabric tape. And it's not like Joann Fabrics is open at the moment, as we're still in a pandemic. So I'm gonna try to hot glue the material to the carpet to create the hammock, because I wanted the hammock to have some sturdiness to it, but not too much. And I think the carpet will work perfectly for what I'm gonna try. So let's see. Hello, and welcome back to the garage. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do. And my ideals keep changing, which is probably part of the problem. But I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my corners. So like here is an example with it tucked into the corner for the little bed like, okay? But I'm kind of like, I don't know. Do I want it carpeted all the way to the top? I can't decide. So then I thought, well, maybe I take the material out and I would drape it over the top, pull it tight like so, pull the corners in, and have like a nice little top lip of material on the top also. So in my process of debating all of this, I've been sitting here and it occurred to me, I'd originally planned on having toys like hanging here. But now I'm thinking maybe I should like close it in and make a little cubby-hole box, like a little hidey-hole. I don't know. There is no telling what this is going to end up looking like. Because I cannot decide at this point how far I want to go with it. Because part of me says it would be really cute to have like a little hidey-hole at the bottom with a little insert, you know. I could get Jim Lynn to paint something on it, make it look cute, so that way it's not all carpety. Maybe we can carpet the top, but the sides be painted or something. I don't know. I don't know. The struggle's real. Reinforcements have arrived. Completely changed the whole plan. No, it didn't. Let's see what we're into.
The box itself is made out of leftover planks from the fence project.
If you're not familiar with the fence project, you should check out our Instagram. We did post on there what we did on that, and I'll put that link above also. Masterpiece.
an entrance and an exit.
What everyone needs. Now, it's pretty simple construction. The carpet we used from where we had previously ripped up here in the house. If you haven't seen the video where we laid our hardwood floors, look above. You'll see that link right now. We had extra carpet from that, which worked out perfectly.
Repurpose it to cover the base and sides of this guy. My wife built a hammock and also a little kitty entrance to a play box.
The front side has the little butt or the tail. The other side has the little cat opening with the ears. And my wife drilled little holes in the top to give them little paw hose.
So far, they seem to like it. It's only been in the house a few minutes and already everybody's been investigating,
including the dogs.
Guys, I hope you like the construction and the design of this little boy. And if you have any questions, throw them down in the comments.
We'll be happy to answer them and help you out. If you need to make one yourself, we'll help you make it virtually.
Guys, thanks for joining, and catch us next time when who knows what we'll be getting into.
Toodles.
Bye.
So the kids, they love it. They love the cat stand. We did have to use a treats to initially get them to investigate it a little more because the dogs were a little bit all about it. But now that we've had it for a couple weeks, they play on it all the time. They sleep on it. They sleep in it. It's really been a great investment for them. Now, a lot of things I would do differently now. Obviously, first time making one, not having plans, is kind of a learn as you go. But all in all, I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. The kids love it. And thankfully, Mr. Pepper's Emir is no longer scratching at our door jambs, which I am very, very happy for. The hammock, I think, was the hardest part for them to get used to, as you can see here. But once they got the hang of it, they were set. And that extra little bit of carpet in there to sturdy it up really seems to have helped a lot. Thanks, everybody, for watching. We appreciate you.